In today's video, we are going to be installing an aftermarket steering wheel on our golf cart. For the sake of the video, we've already done the first step of the process, which is to take off your stock steering wheel. Once you've done that, you're going to slide on the aftermarket steering wheel adapter. Make sure when ordering that you select which steering wheel adapter you want, whether that be the black one like this video or the other chrome option that's also available. You're going to want to make sure your wheels are aligned straight forward when completing this step. Once you've done that, tighten the adapter down, and for this EasyGo TXT, we used a 15/16 socket. Now that the adapter is secure, you're going to line up the top of your steering wheel with the adapter holes. Once you've got it lined up, you can start placing in the screws. All the hardware for this install is included, including the Allen wrench needed to tighten the screws down. Installing an aftermarket steering wheel is simple and easy, and the upgrade can really spruce up your golf cart. Links will be down in the description below, where you can shop steering wheels and many other accessories on our website at golfcarttiresupply.com.